Welcome to Best Choice. The best Weber Q1200 is probably one of the most versatile and portable grills on the market, perfect for small spaces, camping trips, or tailgating events, offering a surprisingly powerful grilling experience that belies its compact size and making it an excellent choice for anyone seeking convenience without compromising on flavor or performance, ensuring delicious meals wherever you go. Number 5. 7644 Grill Grates for Weber Q Series, 2-pack. These cooking grates are designed to perfectly fit your Weber Q100, Q1000, and Q1200 series grills. They are an excellent replacement for your original grill parts. Crafted from high-quality matte cast iron, these grates offer superior durability and excellent heat retention. This ensures your food cooks evenly and develops a delicious flavor. Experience professional-grade searing with these cast iron grates. They provide even heating and outstanding heat retention, creating beautiful sear marks on your food every time. Each grate measures 17 by 12.7 by 0.5 inches, providing ample cooking space. This package includes 2 grates, offering a complete grilling solution. To prevent rust, scrape after each use, season with oil, and store properly. Following these simple steps will ensure your grates last for many grilling seasons to come. If you're looking to replace worn-out grill parts, these cooking grids are the perfect accessory. Elevate your outdoor cooking experience with these durable and high-performing grates. What we like. These grates are crafted from premium matte cast iron, offering exceptional durability and heat retention for even cooking. If you're looking to replace your existing Weber Q100 1200 series grates with a durable and high-performing option that enhances food flavor, this 2-pack is an excellent choice. What people say. The grill heats up very quickly and is ready to cook in about 5 minutes. It's a great size for cooking for 2 people, and it's easy to move around. The grates are easy to clean and maintain. Number 4. GGC 7644-7582 Cast Iron Grill Grates. These cooking grates are designed for a perfect fit with your Weber Q100 series grills, including models like Q1000, Q1200, and Q1400. They are also ideal for your Weber Baby Q gas grills. Ensure a seamless replacement with compatibility for numerous Weber grill model numbers, such as 510100001, 500600001, and many others. They are a direct replacement for Weber part numbers 7644 and 7582. Each grate measures 8.5 inches by 12.7 inches, providing a combined cooking surface of 17 inches by 12.7 inches when you receive the set of 2. This package includes 2 grill grates for your convenience. Crafted from durable matte enamel cast iron, these grates heat up quickly and evenly, retaining heat exceptionally well. You can achieve beautiful grill marks, giving you a chef-quality grilling experience every time. Upgrade your grilling setup with these excellent replacement parts. Instead of buying a new grill, simply replace this component to extend the life of your existing one and continue cooking delicious meals. Before ordering, please check the size of your original part and compare it with these replacement grates. This ensures a perfect fit and allows you to get back to grilling without any hassle. What we like. Made from durable matte enamel cast iron, these grates heat quickly and evenly, providing good heat retention for a chef-like grilling experience. If you want to upgrade your grill with parts that deliver beautiful sear marks and extend your grill's life without buying a new one, these are a great option. What people say. These grates fit the Weber perfectly. They distribute the heat evenly and they don't rust. They are easy to clean, and if you cook something extra messy, they're easy to remove to clean as well. Looks to be excellent quality. Fit my Q perfectly. Heat distribution is even across the surface, and they're much nicer to cook on than worn-out original grates. Cleaning has been straightforward too, a quick scrub after each session keeps them ready for the next cook-up with minimal effort. Number 3. Weber Q Series Replacement Cooking Grates, 2-pack. Upgrade your grilling experience with these premium porcelain enameled cast iron cooking grates. They offer exceptional durability and heat retention for perfect searing every time. Designed specifically for Weber Q100, Q1000, and Q1200 series grills. These grates ensure a seamless fit, replacing your old ones with ease. Each grate comes with a convenient support bracket, providing added stability and ensuring a secure fit during your cooking sessions. Spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your barbecue. These grates are conveniently dishwasher safe for effortless maintenance. Revitalize your Weber grill with these high-quality replacement grates. They are built to last and will help you achieve delicious results for seasons to come. This pack includes 2 cooking grates, providing full coverage for your grill. You'll have everything you need to get back to grilling in no time. What we like. These porcelain enameled cast iron grates offer a convenient grilling solution, designed for easy cleaning as they are dishwasher safe. If you prioritize ease of maintenance and are looking for a direct replacement for your Weber Q100, 1000, or 1200 series grills, these grates are ideal. What people say. The grill heats up very quickly and is ready to cook in just a few minutes. It's a great size for cooking for 2 people, and it's easy to move around. The side tables are very convenient for placing plates and utensils. Number 2. Stanbroil stainless steel grill grates for Weber Q1000 series. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel rods, these grates are built for durability. Enjoy a healthy and safe barbecue experience with excellent corrosion, heat resistance, and heat retention. Each grate measures 12.7 x 8.5, with a total dimension of 12.7 x 17. The rods are 0.23 in diameter. They are designed to perfectly fit Weber Q1000 series gas grills, so please compare with your original parts before ordering. These grates are a perfect replacement for your Weber Q120, Q140, Q1000, Q1200, and Q1400 series gas grills. They are also compatible with specific Weber model numbers, ensuring a precise fit. To prevent food from sticking, preheat the grates and coat them with high-temperature oil like peanut or grapeseed oil. This simple step ensures a smooth cooking surface every time. Cleaning is a breeze with just soap and water and a brush. For extended service life, remember to keep them dry after cleaning. This package includes 2 high-quality stainless steel cooking grates. They are designed to provide a superior grilling experience for your Weber gas grill. What we like. Constructed from high-quality stainless steel rods, these grates ensure long-lasting use with excellent corrosion and heat resistance for a healthy barbecue. If you prefer a material that is resistant to rust and easy to clean, and you want a non-stick surface for your Weber Q1000 series grill, these are a fantastic choice. What people say. The grill heats up very quickly and is ready to cook in about 5 minutes. It's a great size for cooking for 2 people, and it's easy to transport. The side tables are a nice feature, and they fold down for easy storage. Number 1. One-piece Q100 Q1200 grill grates replacement. Tired of wobbly grill grates? Ours are designed as a single, stable piece for easy installation and a secure cooking surface. No more worrying about food falling through. Each grate measures 17 foot x 12 710, and you'll receive one in each pack. Please verify these dimensions to ensure a perfect fit for your grill. Crafted from upgraded matte enamel cast iron, these grates are built to last. They offer superior heat distribution and are resistant to rust, chipping, and warping. These grates are designed to replace Weber part numbers like 7582, 7644, and many others. They are a direct fit for various Weber grill models. Our replacement grates are compatible with a wide range of Weber grill models, including the Q100, Q120, Q1000, Q1200, and more. Check the list to confirm compatibility. For a non-stick surface, lightly coat the grates with oil before use. If you're unsure about compatibility, please don't hesitate to contact us for assistance. What we like. Featuring a stable one-piece design made from upgraded matte enamel cast iron, these grates offer superior durability and resistance to rust and corrosion. If you're tired of wobbly grates that require clips and want a single, stable piece that ensures even heat distribution and longevity for your Weber Q1200 or similar grill, this is the perfect replacement. What people say. Fit and finish are excellent. Works like new. Heavy-duty perfect fit, so far easy to clean. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.